Have you ever heard the whispers? The stories of a shadow moving in the forests, an unseen presence in temples, a protector who never left? What if I told you that Lord Hanuman is still alive today? The story begins at the end of Lord Rama's time on earth. The great war in Lanka was over, Dharma was restored, and Lord Rama's divine mission had been fulfilled. As he prepared to leave his mortal form, his most devoted follower, Hanuman, stood before him. With folded hands and eyes filled with devotion, Hanuman spoke,
"My lord, I do not wish for Swarga, nor do I seek liberation. All I ask is that I remain here, on this earth, as long as your name is spoken by even a single soul."
Lord Rama, moved by this unmatched devotion, smiled and blessed Hanuman.
"You will remain in this world until the very end of time, protecting the Dharma and guiding the true devotees who seek me. You will be unseen, yet always near those who call upon me."
And so, Hanuman became a Chiranjeevi, an immortal, destined to walk this earth forever. For centuries, there have been stories. Tales whispered by saints and passed down by sages. Pilgrims who claim to have felt an unseen force protecting them. Villagers who speak of a wandering sadhu with incredible strength, vanishing without a trace. Some say Hanuman resides in the deep forests, appearing only to the most faithful. Others believe he watches over temples, protecting them from unseen evils. Hanuman is not the only immortal. Hindu scriptures speak of 7 beings, the Sapt Chiranjeevi, who were blessed to live until the end of time, guardians of Dharma, protectors of righteousness. Yet, among them, Hanuman is the closest to mankind. But Hanuman does not reveal himself easily. He appears only to those with unwavering faith, pure hearts, and devotion that matches his own. Perhaps, even now, he is listening. So tell me, do you believe that Hanuman still walks among us? Like, share and subscribe for more mystical stories.